Wow, wow, wow. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kenvry. I want to welcome you to this short presentation. I believe you are getting exposed to this right now because probably you would have, watched one of our ads. You would have connected, with me. You would have sent me a message, or a friend would have sent you, a link to watch this video. In all honesty, this is just to give you a short preview of one of the things that have helped my life in the area of trading forex. A lot of people are interested in trading forex today. I believe there are so many avenues, so many mediums, so many systems out there. But one of the things I want to show you is how I came in contact with a system, all right, a little less than 2 years ago that has helped my life and has helped my community. That's what I want to take you through. Three things that are going to really be the component of, the success in this, our presentation is number one, for you to actually earn in the system, you need to find a way to learn, all right? So the basis is the skill set. A lot of people have failed in this industry because they earn outside of the environment of learning. So one of the things I discovered through the platform is first you must be exposed to learning the skill set. The number two thing, right? Without mentorship, it's actually difficult to get success on your own in trading forex. So this system is going to give you an opportunity to follow mentors. All right, what mentorship today is the shortcut to success. So you're going to be exposed to live sessions where you have an opportunity to learn and earn from traders all over the world. Then the third thing is going to be exposed to what? Strategies, softwares. The advent of technology today has actually made trading quite easy. A lot of people who fail in trading is because they try to learn the market outside of the environment of the skill set without a mentor, and they try to use their brain to analyze a fast growing grossing market over $6.6 trillion. All right, these three components is one of the things I'm just going to show to you in our system, and that has helped me create large amount of success. And not just for myself, I've been able to use this same system to help individuals like you that are desiring to learn in this platform. So just stay connected. Let me take you through. Welcome you once again. This is just to I want to start with something very, very vital. It all starts with a why. Before I go into the component, I love everyone who wants to, because there's no one, right, that has actually started out and became successful without a why. There must be a why factor. Why do you want to do this, right? How would you feel if you had to control it? For a lot of people, they want to be in control over every aspect of their finances. So I actually want you guys to actually, I want you to see this, right? See this factor. You must have a proper knowledge of what money is, right? Now you want to come into an environment, you want to earn money, but the first thing is, do you have the knowledge of money? Sometimes it's not because you don't know how to do what you do, all right? That is why you don't have the kind of success you need to have. It's probably because you don't have a proper foundation of how to earn money, or how you're earning money right now. You don't even understand how it is. All right. I might like you to just have this understanding. Four ways of why and how people earn money. We have the employees, we have the self-employed, we have the business owners, and we have the investors. You want to ask yourself, where are you right now? Where should I be in this quadrant? Where would you want to be after the knowledge of what I'm sharing with you right now? Right? 60% of people are people who work for what other people. They are called the employees. These are people who render time to earn money, right? They have linear way of earning income. 35% of people who call themselves the self-employed, right? These are people who also work for someone, but that person is their self. So they have to work. This environment, 95% of people have to work before they earn, right? So they have the limited form of income. It's not a bad thing to have a job or to have a business that you're running. But if your income is linear, if it has to be only, all right, when you work is when you earn, then it's dangerous, because you never have to create success in this environment. So the opportunity I'm sharing with you people today, or you that is listening to this, it's an opportunity that gives you what? A leverage, a platform where you can earn like the 5%, because 5% of the people in the world in this quadrant, they earn 95% of the entire market. What is the difference? It's simple leverage. It's something you want to put down, right? They have leverage. So 1% out of the 5% have the investor's mindset. These are people who leverage over money, right? They make money work for them, right? These are people who send money on errands. Money is the one replacing the time factor. So rather than them working based on time and earning money, these people now send money on errands to make more money. That's the 1%. Then we have the 4% who actually are business owners. These are people who leverage over other people's time, other people's effort, other people's technology, then systems. These are people who have
time, so the amount of money they earn is as a result of what? How many people are working for them, right? Also in technology today, some people, play on social media, digital marketing, this different e-commerce. Why? The amount of people time spent in this social media platform, e-commerce platform, people are earning in billions. Why? They've been able to create a system that offer a service. It's called what? The business owner quadrant. You want to ask yourself this question: what side of the quadrant are you? All right. And if it makes sense to you to, oh, I would love to, right? I would love to be in the right side where I'm an investor or a business owner, right? Where I'm an investor or business owner. You want to really pay attention to what I'm saying right now. That is why we now introduce, that's why Forex play a major part in the market. All right. A lot of people have come into this industry not knowing what it is. A lot of people have played not really understanding how to go about it. All right. But that is why we introduce it to our platform. So I said three components that will make you successful in our platform is the academy. So this system is called the I Am Mastery Academy. A system that is owned by, an amazing man. He's someone who has a big dream. His name is Christopher Terry. He actually created and formed this system 7 years ago. July 4th was the 7th year anniversary of this system. His goal, he's a multi-billionaire documented in tax paying. All right. He's from the United States of America. He's someone who has traded for the World Bank. One of his goals is to bring Wall Street to Main Street. Because he's traded for the bank, he's traded for huge financial companies. He's someone who has really, played in this industry and had massive success. He's bringing the secret to this success to every individual that is interested to learn. All right. So here we have a learning platform where you have access to what? The education from basic to advanced. The next thing they offer is live mentorship, where you accelerate your growth and achieve excellence with exclusive go live training. Training is live, right? You have access to over 100 full-time educators that are coming live on the platform, all right? From a team of master educators committed to your success. And the last thing you're exposed to what? Strategies. These are softwares. Expand your learning and mentorship with simple, unique strategies that can make it much easier for you to understand the market. I'll tell you one of the reasons a lot of people are failed in the market. Majority of the people, right? They are only trading to earn money, which is they are playing in environment of skill. I was able to understand that, 96% of people who come into the market, two things happen. They fail in their first 6 months, right? Because why? They are either only exposed to the skill or they don't even understand the skill. Because I realized from mentorship, the skill set is 1 to 10% of your success, right? The skill. So everything there is to know about how to buy, how to sell, the basic, the intermediate, the advanced, all right, just gives you an opportunity to earn and be successful 1 to 10%, right? 90 to 99% comes from mentorship, mindset, emotion, the spiritual aspect of the business. And who's going to teach you that? A mentor, right? So I now understand why a lot of people fail. And if you do not want to go on the path of those who want to fail, that is why it's very vital to follow through the system. A system that offers what? The mentorship, that offers not just the skill, but also mentorship. Then software. Softwares make it easy for you to trade today because not everybody in this advanced age have the time to go into the market, all right, and do it on their own. Yes, you can. You might learn it, but you can leverage over technology to do it for yourself. And that is why the system are created. So this is how it's created. So when you get started, you're going to have a unique username and password, right? That gives you inside, that takes you inside the platform where you now can have access. So I talked about three things, which is the academies, where you learn, right? So what are you really learning? How to trade Forex, when to trade Forex, the basics to the advance of Forex. So these are our academies, the Forex Academy, the HFX Academy, all right, and the DCX Academy, which is Forex, high frequency Forex, aka binary and cryptocurrency education. These are the academies. So if I get started, right, I click on my academies, I enroll. So when I enroll, I have access to the short recorded videos, right? There are recorded videos that takes you through what is Forex, all right? What is the history of Forex? What is traded in the foreign exchange market? What broker? It means what platform do I trade? Where do I trade? Where do I analyze the market? Trading view, all right? When do I trade? So everything, the buying and the selling, what is a peep? What is a lot size? everything there is to know about the basic, So we have the 101, we have the 110. It goes to what? The advanced level. Then after this section, this is now where you get the academy, right? Some of you might come on HFX, some of you might come on DCF for whatever purpose you want to learn, right? This is where you get the foundation of your learning. It's interactive. You can actually go pre-recorded videos. You can watch them over and over again to your taste. You can play with them, take your notes, ask a mentor. So now you now have access also to the Go Live platform, all right, where you now have access to full-time educators in the system, right? So if I click, let me just, so this is how our Go Live look like. All right, as I'm speaking to you right now, we have several educators that are live. They have their timetable. So depending on the platform, if it's HFX, if it's Forex, or whatever platform you decided to get started with. All right, so we have the education. These are top educators in our system. Guess what? Look, this is 68,600. To tell you the members, this company has over 250,000 members worldwide. These are top educators. This means they are highly followed. Why? They are helping a lot of people get results. All right, different educators, different platforms. So we have the HFX, Forex, and DCX. So depending on the platform that you pick, if you decide to go for the HFX right now, all right, you're gonna see several educators that are live right now, live. And what they do when they are live, they trade. So these are their timetable. They give you the time that they come on, and you can join them live and you learn from them. The goal of the educator is, while you're learning, you've gone through the academy, you want to go through the process of being mentored. They tell you what to start with, how to get into the market, how to use proper risk management. You trade with them, you see them do what they do consistently over a period of time. You're going to get their results. That is following through mentorship, people to help you go through the process, right? And the next thing you want to do is you can now begin to trade with them live, because they have trading sessions. As I'm talking to you right now, as I'm doing this recording, there is an educator on the HFX platform that is live, right? She's live right now. What is she doing? She's trading live. She's going to trade live. She just, okay, 4 o'clock is our time. She just came on, right? And what she does is she trades live. In the next couple of minutes, she's going to be calling trades, analyzing the market, and calling several trades. This is her recorded session. So you can go, if you like her strategy, if you follow her and you like her strategy, you can go to her pre-recorded sessions and learn how to do it, and you can even do it yourself, right? That's the advantage of staying connected to the system, right? We have several other educators. As I'm clicking the left bar, there are other educators. This is on Forex. All right. Guess what they do? They analyze the chart just in real time.
But I have a 2-year track record with it.
Okay. And if you see over the chart here, you can see there are several trades that are being called.
Anybody that's on here.
Okay. She just got started. Right? She just got started, and she's going to call trades. She's going to trade, analyze the market, and she will call trades for you to make money. So you're not trading based on your effort. You're trading based on the effort of someone who already understands the market.
All right, let's see what's working here.
Do you understand? So because of time, I cannot really preview everything, but this is what we do on a day-to-day basis. We have access to live educators, right? People who trade the market, and they tell you what to do. And guess what? If you follow them consistently, don't rely on yourself because you're still learning. But when you leverage over these educators, you can open an account and you trade with them. You can begin to make 5%, 10%, 15% of your account day in, day out, right? While you're learning with them. That's how to be successful in Forex. All right. Then the last thing, you're going to be exposed to strategies. That's our Go Live. After the academy, you get into the Go Live. Then the last thing is our strategy. We have access to several tools and technology, ranging from where you get started. All right. So we have the Forex, we have the HFX, we have the DCX, several tools. All right. Majority of you are coming, and I will advise you start with the HFX. Why? It's easy to learn and easy to earn. One of our favorite tools that we trade with is the Hourglass. There's a tool called the Cash Trap by one of the phenomenal educators. This is a multi-7-figure trader. I started with $500, a little less than 2 years ago. Today, he has over $2 million in his trading account, right? Not for the purpose of, no income claims, not to tell you, okay, this is what is going to be applicable to you. Forex is about what you put in is what you get out. If you learn, you're going to earn, right? Nobody is promising you anything you can't make. But the truth is, if you follow people that have been successful over a period of time and you do what they do, right, that you see them do, you're going to have the same result. So these are several strategies. We have the cash trap. What it does is, guess what? Imagine you having a tool that tells you when to enter the market and when to get out. All right, it tells you this arrow means it's time to buy. It has actually called it before and the market has bought, right? Every minute of the day, you're going to get price updates, all right? Price update on when to sell, when to buy. And if you learn how to use this, right, in a day, you can take more than 20 trades. This is something that I use, right? You see the trades. I'm going to just expose something to you right now, okay? So I want to go into an account. I'm actually trading right now, and I have just a moment. All right, this morning, I traded. This is a trading account. So the next thing you want to ask, where am I trading? This is just an example of a trading account. This is one of the accounts that I use, right? It tells you, so simple. It's time based. This is where you pick the currency. Right? So every currency you want to trade on, this is where you pick the currency, and it already tells you how much you're going to get paid as a reward when you trade. So each of them is based on 68%, 72%, 85%. It already tells you, and you can pick the time you want to trade. If it's 1 minute, if it's 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or you want to trade hours of the day, right? So it picks hours. This is in hours when you have. Then the long term is in daily, but majority of the times of trading is actually short term. Right? Because here you're going to learn precise entries, all right, and how within 1 minute you're out. So these are several trades that I took today following the cash trap, right? And I was able to do 7% of my account. My goal is 5% every single day. You can see these trades, how they ended, right? Had more wins. 7% of my account was done, all right, just with trading with the hourglass. And this is something you can learn within a couple of days. You can learn how to use this, and you can begin to follow the educator's life, right? And guess what? You can be profitable even while you're learning because you have access to our Go Live platform. Several of them, there are so many. All you just need to do, you're going to find the one that fits your trading style, and you're going to learn. And guess what? We have classes every single day. As a community, I'm helping individuals. Every Mondays to Friday, I have training and trading sessions, all right? That help individuals. So you're going to get started. My sessions are to help individuals who come in because we don't want to leave you alone. Come into the market. All right? We don't want to leave you alone. We want an opportunity where you can actually get started. So through our trading sessions, Mondays to Friday, this is where we guide you because we know on your own when you come, you're going to need that guidance. That's why I offer mentorship. I train with you, follow my trade because one of the things I say, stay connected and follow instructions. All right. So you're asking yourself that very question right now. How much do I need to get started? So simple. All right. $235 get you started. Presently right now, as at the time this video is running, but because of the time you're going to be listening to this, right? There's a promo that is running right now because of this is July, and on the 4th of July, right, was the anniversary. So it's been running. There's a promo that has been running, which is $200. I don't know when it's going to end, but $235 is actually what you need to get started, and a monthly fee of $175. This gets you connected month in, month out. All right, because you're going to need time. Eventuality is a factor needed here. So whichever platform you decide to start with, all right, if it's the DCX, if it's the Forex, if it's the HFX, that is $235. Or you want to start with the combined $325 get you started, which is Forex, HFX, DCX combined. That is the platform that I use, right? And $275 monthly. Now the company has a program of scholarship. You don't want to pay for your monthly subscription, all right? The company says invite 2 of your friends, all right? Refer 2 active customers in your active period. You're going to get the next scholarship for free, and that's a no-brainer, all right? So I don't have to use my money to continue paying for the subscription, which is actually still okay, all right? So that is it. Then you decide that if you're really interested in building this income, you're going to really make a decision, all right? It's something you want to do. Give it time, right? But earn while you learn. It's going to really make a whole lot of sense, right? If this information I've shared with you makes sense to you, what you want to do is get back to the person who placed you on this call. If I'm the one, get back to my chat right now. Ask me, right? How much, what it is and you need to do to get started. But I believe this is an information that should, all right, change the way you earn money. All right, I believe the information that I've shared with you have been of great value to you. It's not something you get to understand all in a day, but the truth is your desire is going to drive you. We have a system that works, we have the process that brings the result. All you want to do is follow the person who's in front of you, who's getting what you desire, who's getting the result, right? It's going to get clear the moment you get started. So you want to get back to the person who actually placed you on this webinar or on this presentation. If I'm the one, get back to me. All right, let's discuss on how you get started. I'll see you at the top, not from the top, because the bottom is way too crowded. God bless you.